Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI Nova Y70, and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap on the sounds and vibrations section. Then you'll see here ring message notifications volume panel. Just to mute notifications, swipe this dot to the left side with your finger. But by this way you will mute not only notifications but also ringtones. If you wanna mute only notifications but stay with the ringtones, I suggest you to unmute this volume panel. And after that, just go to the notification sound and switch your currently notification sound just to known here. And after that, you'll mute your device notifications, but you'll stay with the ringtones on your device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.